Hey, it's Ryan from Upfit Supply, and in this video we're going to be unboxing a Vantech H1 ladder rack for the RAM ProMaster. Let's get into it. Okay, as you can see, I already removed the outer packaging for this, but one thing I wanted to show in this video was how Vantech packages their equipment. This is basically a sub package in the package. So once you get all the white packaging off, you have everything nice and secure like this. And that's one of the great things about Vantech is the way that they package their materials. It's designed to be sent to you just through FedEx or UPS or whatever and get to you undamaged. A lot of other ladder racks on the market, stuff is just kind of thrown into a box and it moves around kind of loosely. And that is the biggest culprit for things, getting shoved through the end of a box, tearing it open, missing pieces, all those kinds of things. So Vantech actually has a really low damage rate, which is great. And so that's one of the reasons that I like this ladder rack in particular, is that it always arrives undamaged and it's a quality product and the pricing is great. So this is a 2-bar rack. It is steel and I believe it is black. But it's also available in aluminum, available in a 2 or 3-bar system, and in white or black. So a lot of different options with the H1 system, depending on what you need. So we have 3 boxes here. One's gonna have our hardware in it, and 2 of them are gonna have our uprights, and then we're gonna have our crossbars here below. And I'm just gonna open one of our upright boxes. The other one's gonna be identical to this. And as you can see in here, we have the iconic Vantech upright here, this V shape. You have a nice, I'm gonna get the measurement wrong, I think it's like a 7-inch footprint right here. But you get 250 pounds of load capacity per crossbar. Now, one thing that is always confusing is your van may not be able to hold that. So you wanna make sure that you look at the roof payload specifications of your van. So we have our nice black powder coated steel upright here. There's 2 of them here in this box. And then in this box, we're gonna have our other set of 2. We're gonna have 4 total, basically 2 per crossbar. So I'm not gonna take the other one out, I'll just leave this one out here. And then let's take a look at our crossbars here. Again, this is a steel, it's gonna be powder coated in this gloss black finish like you see here. An open bar, if you can see that. If you do get the aluminum, it's a little bit different crossbar. It's an extruded aluminum and there's some channels in it. And so you'll actually slide in your rubber bar guard rather than on the steel one, you actually tape it, or there's an adhesive that secures it to the top of your crossbar. But this is a 2x1-inch crossbar. Plenty of weight capacity, stability, long life in this. So a great set of crossbars here from Vantech. And then let's open up our hardware and accessories here. And again, one of the things I love about Vantech is dunnage. Stuff that keeps stuff from shifting around in transit and making sure you're not losing anything while it's on the way to you. So in terms of accessories with the H1 rack, if you buy a 2-bar kit, you're gonna get 1 set of these accessories. So we have a hook and loop strap. This is just a Velcro strap that you're gonna use on your rearward bar that you're gonna secure the ladder down with, Velcro strap. Then we're gonna have a guide right here. You can put this on a 2-bar kit. You'll usually put it on the rear bar, but you can use it wherever you want. And this basically, you're gonna set this, so your ladder sits in between this and one of your uprights like this, so it's going to keep it from shifting around while you're turning corners and things like that. And this comes with a little knob to secure it to the crossbar. And then we have, for our forward bar, our ladder stopper. So this actually, a rung of the ladder butts up against this, keeps it from shifting forward and moving around and so on. And again, there's a little knob to basically tighten this, attach it, you can easily loosen it and move it around if you need to do that. We have here, this is rolled up, our little bar guard. This sits on top of the crossbar. Just a little rubber strip. It's gonna protect your ladder, also protect the crossbar from getting scratched and you know, premature wear and things like that. Then we have here just some accessories needed to attach this to the van. So the ProMaster actually has a T-stud, I believe is what it's called, on the roof of the van. And so these are gonna help you integrate with those T-studs and attach your uprights to the vehicle. And then we also have a illustrated installation guide right here. I believe there's also a full parts list, so you can make sure that you have everything that you need in the box so that you can attach this to the vehicle and fully assemble it. Now, if you are looking for this H1 style ladder rack or any other equipment to get your van ready for work, be sure to check us out at upfitsupply.com. Again, my name is Ryan, and have a good one.